mother. You hate your own children? Oh, yes, you just hate your own children. Are you saying we're stupid? What kind of mother calls her stupid?
That was nice.